Let's get more breaking updates coming in. There's complete chaos being witnessed at the Dinhata protest. The TMC students have also now joined the protesters.
Now, this is coming at a time when the protesters there have been objecting to the TMC joining the Dharna. In fact, they have been saying that they do not want the protest for justice for the victim to be politicized in any way. There have been slogans, counter slogans that was raised at this spot, and also a huge police deployment that was witnessed in Dinhata.
So the protesters had been objecting to the TMC joining the Dharna. Despite that, the students are joining the protest. Shreya continues to stay live with us. Shreya, the protesters had said very clearly that they don't want to make it political. This is a fight for the justice of the victim. And yet we're told that there are several TMC workers, students as well, who have joined in. What are the details? What's happening on ground?
Well, of course, we see that the protesting students have been saying since day one that they don't want to make the movement political. As far as the doctors' movement in RG Kar is concerned, remember, not only it is the doctors or the medical fraternity who is protesting, but Tollywood actors, the High Court lawyers. We have seen many people from many front and walks of life have come and joined the protest, but they did not want to make it political. Now, as far as this incident is concerned, remember, in Dinhata, the students came out to protest about the RG Kar incident. They took out a protest rally. Now, what the students have said is that after that, some TMCP, which is the student front of the TMC party, they came and hijacked the protest, and then it was a huge chaos. There was slogans and counter slogans that were raised, and there was a huge police deployment. So as far as the protests are concerned, remember, we do see that it is getting influenced politically, after which there is a huge chaos in the ground.
All right.